Hey everybody, just a quick update for you. I know this comes up a lot in forums, and I've actually had a few comments on my videos about it, and that is about the default Behringer app for the XR mixers, which is the XAir Edit app. On iOS, it is technically no longer functioning. You can see I've got a couple things up on the screen here. The one on the left is about the status of this app, and the one on the right is the roadmap for the replacement app, MX Mix. So we had a big issue when iOS 16 came out and the iPad app stopped working altogether. Behringer did resolve that issue at that point with the understanding that they probably wouldn't be updating it again, and it was only going to be for legacy iPads. They've taken it off the App Store, which makes it a little bit difficult to use as a legacy app, but I have to assume they've removed it because it's not working for a lot of newer iPads, specifically like the 11th gen iPads running like 18.4 or newer. Some people just simply cannot run it. I think there's been some people who have had luck. I can't really figure out from everything I'm reading where that discrepancy lies. Some people get it to work, some people don't. I have a couple of older iPads, 9th gen, and I've had the app on it for a long time. I upgraded to 18.5 and 18.6 of iOS, and I'm able to run the apps no problem in both of those iOS updates. There's been some talk that people who had it on their iPads already before they updated the iOS, like me, they had no issues. If they tried to install after the update, then it wasn't working. I can't confirm or deny that. That's just what I've heard. So if you're somebody who actually has it running, you're probably very lucky, and if you really need to use that app, you should probably not update your iPad any further. MX Mix is what Behringer intends to be the replacement app moving forward. Again, not supporting the XAir Edit anymore. MX Mix is the future of mixing from Behringer with these mixers. Now, MX Mix is a long way off. They've been working on it for a couple of years. It is available in the App Store, but it's still in beta. It's missing huge functionality, especially routing. You can't use it as a full solution. It just isn't going to work for you. By all means, download it, check it out so you can see what's coming. But if you need an actual solution right now because you can't run the default app, Mixing Station is your solution. There will be links to that down below. Anyway, that's the long and the short of it. XAir Edit for iPad is technically no longer working. They're saying they won't or they can't update it anymore. I don't know whether it's a can't or a won't. They're saying can't in this article. I'm not going to comment on that because I don't know. Anyway, not working. If you have it working already, stick with it. Don't update. If you have already updated, if you cannot run it, and certainly you can't find it on the App Store now, Mixing Station is your solution. XAir Edit on iOS does not work. MX Mix is not yet ready. They're saying by the end of the year. We'll see if that happens. Mixing Station works, is great. There's a learning curve. Be prepared for that, especially if you're brand new to digital mixers. It supports multiple variety of mixers, so there's a little bit of digging to get some of the settings right. But it's a great app. That's it. Those are your solutions. Sorry for my dog snoring. He's lazy. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.